Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by locking the pitcher and blade into place. Make sure the lid seal is secure. Add liquids first. This prevents air pockets and helps ingredients move. Once liquids are in, layer soft items next and harder items on top. Pulse twice or 3 times to break big pieces, then switch to low speed for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the mixture start to homogenize. If it stalls, lift and redistribute with a spatula, then continue. Once the base is mixed, you need to control texture deliberately. Use low speed for chopping, medium for purees, and high for silky smoothies. If the jar clogs, stop and scrape the sides with a spatula. Do not run the blade dry since that strains the motor. For thick or frozen blends, add small amounts of liquid incrementally so you don't overshoot the consistency. Make sure to tap the jar to release trapped air and rerun short bursts to refine texture. Finish by blending on high for 5 to 10 seconds to achieve a smooth result. This polishes texture and aerates if desired. After powering down, always unplug before removing the blade assembly and rinse parts immediately to prevent stubborn residue. If the motor stalls or overheats, stop, unplug, reduce ingredient load, add a splash of liquid, then pulse to restore motion. You'll avoid damage by letting the unit cool and by never forcing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.